2026 Volvo XC60 continues to impress with its signature blend of Scandinavian sophistication, advanced technology, and a commitment to safety. Whether you opt for the efficient B5 powertrain or the powerful T8 plug-in hybrid, the XC60 offers a refined and comfortable driving experience suited for modern luxury SUV buyers. While it may not be the sportiest option in its class, its elegant design, well-appointed interior, and intuitive Google-based infotainment system make it a compelling choice. For those seeking a premium SUV that prioritizes style, safety, and innovation, the 2026 Volvo XC60 remains a standout option. The 2026 Volvo XC60 doesn't introduce major changes, as it received a facelift just last year. However, there are a few updates worth noting. The ultimate trim has been renamed Ultra. Volvo has discontinued the Recharge branding for its plug-in hybrid models. Step inside the 2026 XC60, and you'll find a cabin that blends premium materials with minimalist Scandinavian design. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, genuine wood trims, and upscale upholstery options elevate the experience. Spacious comfort. The XC60 provides ample space for both front and rear passengers, making long drives a pleasure. Advanced infotainment. A 9.0-inch touchscreen with Volvo's Google-based interface offers voice controls via Google Assistant and multiple customization options. Cargo capacity. The XC60 boasts a competitive cargo hauling capability, placing it among the best in its class. The 2026 XC60 offers two distinct powertrains. The B5 powertrain, which features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with a 48-volt hybrid system, producing 247 horsepower and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, allowing Volvo to claim a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.5 seconds. The T8 plug-in hybrid is more powerful, delivering 455 horsepower, quicker acceleration, and improved fuel efficiency. While the XC60 may not be the most athletic SUV, it provides precise handling, solid grip, and a smooth, confident ride. The 2026 Volvo XC60 is expected to hit dealerships in late 2025. Pricing starts at $48,345 for the base model and goes up to $59,395, depending on trim and optional features. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.